good, people? We are back here in Phoenix, AZ with another test ride. Got a full battery on the GoPro this time. A celebrity bike, Mrs. Slicker Speeds, Yamaha R6, and this is a very special test ride for me because I have barely ever had a chance to ride an R6, let alone these newer gen ones. So she's given me the permission to see if we can get her up a little bit. We're riding out to Cycle Gear Bike Night where we're going to unveil the Yamaha R1 to the giveaway winner, and we just went ahead and grabbed some lunch and go-kart race with them, so it was a good time. Oh, fuck. Sorry I haven't been narrating this trip. It's just been kind of spontaneous, everything that we've been doing, but shout out to Ride Clutch. Been having a killer time out here so far. Let's get this Yamaha R6 all started up and see what we can do. What up? How'd you know? Stay in school and don't do drugs, kid. Oh, whoa. Cold start. She a little tired. All right, we got to hold up on the traction control, and now we are off. Yes, we got standard A and B mode. We'll try out standard mode. I think that's like medium power, but if we need more power, we can go to A. Yeah, well, screw it. Let's see what A does. That's a 600. I think we'll be good. Damn, little 600's got some sound to it. Newer gen bikes have so much technology. Look at the pink accents. Your boy is killing it right now. Can't wait to snatch this thing up. Nope. Stubby Impact Tech sub cage. This thing don't like to do it at higher speeds. That's my R6 review. Lots of wheelies till the ABS system goes out. That was scary. Oh, that thing sounded good. It's a shame Yamaha is discontinuing this bike. This thing does not wheelie easily. You really gotta snatch the shit up out of it. And then once it's up, it still wants to kind of fall back down. But it will wheelie. Alright, I'm gonna quick shift onto this overpass. Hopefully get a nice blip sound. Oh, it's Popo right there. I think I wasn't being too stupid. That'd be a good race though. It's like a big 1200 maybe. Little 600. Sporty, nerdy. Oh yeah. Shout out to Slicker Speed. Thank you for letting me ride your bike and put your gas down to nothing, I guess. I'm filling up all these bikes. They let me ride them, but they're all empty. Pretty neat. Pretty neat. Holy shit. That's what I'm talking about. That is sexy. Sheesh. That thing clean, boy. That's so sick. Oh, one lucky man right there, yeah.
I hit it, 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 I hit it first.